Hello, this is Cara, and I am here to share my 5 Days of Fall journal that I have completed, a little flip through. I just wrapped it with some, this isn't really lace, I'm not sure what you call it, fringe maybe? I thought that kind of worked, if I can untie it. And the cover, I attempted my first attempt at kind of quilting, and so here's the cover. A little wonky, but I think it's okay. And then I did some stitching around just to make sure everything was tacked down. It's a one signature journal. It's really, really full. And then on the inside, I lined it with some other fabric, and then also did some stitching around there. And let's take a look on the inside. This is one of the pieces I made from the 5 Days of Fall. A tuck within a tuck. Yeah, I don't remember what day it is, but there's a little tag there. Some music sheet, and then I took the back of my pages and I used the new Distress mica stain that he has out for the season in the yellow one, the red, and the green, and I like the little shine that it gives. And then these are some of the journal pages from the 5 Days of Fall journal kit that I made. I used one of Julie's postcards and made a tuck spot. This is one of the scrap pieces I made. And another little scrap journaling card. And then this is the fold over tag with the dangle. This was another day. Can't remember the days. And then I took one of my envelopes and made a little tuck spot here. Took one of the cards from, I'm not sure if this was the freebie or, I'm not sure. More just mica stain. And another page from the journal. I just love the little shine that it gives. And then this, I was going to tuck in as a pocket, but then I made it as a flip. Made that another day. Here's another cluster, my scrap busting. Another page from the journal kit. Took one of Julie's card, made a tuck spot. This is from the August, what is it? Your Creative Studio journal card that I have a video on. This is from an old, this one, and I have like 4 of them in here. This is from what is it called? Ideals magazine. This is another one of those fold over tags, and I took some pieces from the Your Creative Studio and tucked them under. And here's the other side. I just love the dangle. So fun. Here's the metal signature. I just tied it off. More of the pages. The other side of that Ideals magazine. This was also another day. It was the over the page tuck. This is another tag from Your Creative Studio. And then in here we have lots of little tags tucked in. And then you flip it over and there's another little tuck spot. And then I tucked in a layered tag that I made. And here's the vellum tag pocket that I made. I think this was on the 5th day. Here's the other side of that flip, and it just has a little piece of ephemera tucked in. I love that sunflower. Here's another what is it, tuck spot from the kit. More pages from the journaling kit. Another page from the 5th day. And in here, I can't remember. Oh yeah, I tucked in some of these little guys from Your Creative Studio. For this one, I took pages from the Your Creative Studio pad and added some scrapbook paper and made it just my own little writing pad. Thought that was kind of fun. And then on this side, a scrap journaling card. Another piece from the Your Creative Studio, and I turned it into a tag. I backed it with some, I think it's copy dyed paper. Here's another one of the layered tags. More from the kit. This was one of the days as well. This was day 1. my little envelope flip. And then on the back I have a journaling card and a little cluster. And that is my very full 5 days of fall junk journal. This, I might list this if anyone is interested. I might list this in my Etsy shop. Let me know in the comments if anyone's interested. And that's all. It was a really, really fun 5 days. And if you haven't, make sure you keep posting your pictures and your videos, so we can go and search your great ideas. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.